Hey, managing the perfect coolant mix has always been a hit or miss for us. I've heard about the water-powered proportionate pump. Can it really deliver the precision we need? Absolutely. This proportioning pump is a game changer for coolant management. It's designed to mix coolant with water, delivering the perfect mixture across your shop floor, ensuring precision, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. That sounds promising, but how does it work? The pump perfectly controls the fluid ratio. By adjusting this screw, it draws in the exact amount of coolant through the bottom port, mixing it with the incoming water stream. This precise control slashes waste and minimizes the consumption of expensive coolant. What about its delivery range and flow rates? It's impressive. The pump can deliver fluid 25 feet vertically and 800 feet laterally. There are even different pump options with flow rates of 7 GPM, 12 GPM, or 25 GPM. They're versatile enough to meet most any shop's needs. Plus, its concentration ranges are adjustable from 0.06 to 35 for precise control. And maintenance? It's straightforward. The pump is water-driven and non-electrical, making it efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly. Plus, the clear intake hose allows for easy monitoring and maintenance. Sounds like it could significantly reduce our coolant waste. Exactly. By ensuring you're using just the right amount, it optimizes your cost efficiency and promotes sustainability. It's also a vital component of the Dazzle 1 semi-automated coolant concentration management system. This proportioning pump seems like the solution we've been looking for. It'll make our coolant management both precise and efficient. That's right. With this pump, you step up to precision, efficiency, and sustainability in coolant management. It's about making your operations as cost-effective as they can be.